Hello friends, it's Onam and here I come with a beautiful drape where you can convert your basic sari into a lehenga. Get a perfect look with this drape. So start by tucking it from the right side, anti-clockwise, take one complete round and tuck everything inside your petticoat. Now start making small pleats and keep it tucking in the petticoat in the same direction. Like I am keeping the direction to the right hand side, so all the pleats are facing to the right. By doing this, we are creating the look of a pleated lehenga in the front. So this we have to do from right to left only in the front side. Let me explain how am I doing this pleats. First you have to hold the sari according to the length you want. See to it that the length should touch the floor. It should not go beyond the floor, otherwise you won't be able to walk. So keep the length in check and then slide it to the right side like this to form a narrow pleat like this, and then tuck it inside. See to it that all the pleats that you are making are equidistant to one another. Also, while draping this, you must have seen we are not pinning it anywhere. So to ensure that these pleats do not come out, keep your petticoat slightly tighter than the normal. Also, instead of using a normal petticoat, you can use a can-can skirt so that your pleats are more flared out. Once your lehenga is ready, now turn around the remaining pallu and start making pallu pleats. So you do not have to tuck in the entire sari but leave some for the pallu like this. Once your pleats are ready, just keep arranging the pleats neatly one below the other so that they are neatly placed on the shoulder when you are going to pin it. Hold it and just pin the pallu first, and now you can bring the remaining loose fabric in the front like this from the left side and just tuck it right at the center of your waist with the petticoat. We haven't pinned the pallu with the blouse yet, so take out the pallu, tighten it over the shoulder and again fix it with the blouse. Arrange the chest pleats neatly so that it looks quite neat drape. South Indian look is incomplete without a belt, so let's add a belt to complete our look. And this is it. Get ready like this with a South Indian look for Onam. So let us know in the comment section, are you going to try out this drape for this Onam? And also let us know how did you like this drape. And do not forget to like and subscribe our channel for more such interesting drapes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.